A full range of functions in one compact body. We would like to introduce you to the AMNC series, AMADA's new highly efficient and economical turret punch presses. With its ability to handle 4-foot by 8-foot sheets, the AMNC series is the most compact model in the history of AMADA's turret punch presses. It offers reliable punching with high quality and speed. Let's look at a variety of AMNC series high-speed punching and processing examples. High-speed marking is a feature of the AMNC series. Marking the name and lot number, bend line, welding position, and other indications on the blank can improve post-process work efficiency. By fine contouring with a contouring tool, which involves nibbling at a pitch that is less than the sheet thickness, free shapes can be made at high speed. Other punching can also be performed reliably and at high speed. Punching accuracy in mild mode is plus or minus 0.07 millimeters. Positioning accuracy is a very precise 0.01 millimeters. And thanks to the power vacuum system, slug rise is minimized. Slotting tools produce a seamless, high-quality finish, and the Slotting 3 tool improves the material yield rate by reducing the dead zone space to 40 millimeters. When combined with the 2-inch auto index station, seamless linear punching can be performed in any direction with only one tool. The one separate process of deburring has now become mechanized by using a deburring tool. The switch from manual work to mechanized processing ensures a consistent quality result. Forming, such as the previously separate process of offset bending, can be performed at high speed using the high-speed forming mode. Until now, downward burring, tapping, and downward bending have been a weak point of the turret punch press. However, with the addition of a floating brush table, there is no crushing of formed parts when a workpiece moves. This enables high-speed fabrication with no scratches and achieves full process integration. Half-shear joint punching allows components to be easily removed from the sheet. The processing time for each of these workpieces was 3 minutes 53 seconds. The AMNC series can process small runs of various products at low cost and with high speed and accuracy. To do this, it incorporates a range of technologies unique to AMADA. Let's look at those principal technologies. The power vacuum, a slug-pull prevention system, blows air into the die body, generating a powerful downward airflow, creating suction that removes slugs. This system removes slugs, decreases tool breakage, maintains quality, and thus reduces defective products. Combining this with the optional slug suction unit enables large-sized tooling as well. The new air blow system, which regulates the amount of oil discharge for each tool size, is standard equipment on these machines. This high-quality punching with minimal slug pull is made possible by using an optimal short stroke with a combination of NEX tooling and vacuum dies. The high-rigidity bridge frame of the AMNC series has a rugged 40mm thick design, thicker than the conventional Pega and Vipros models. This supports long periods of reliable, highly accurate, high-speed processing. The drive mechanism, which could be called the heart of the machine, is housed inside the high-rigidity bridge frame. It consists of a durable AC servo single-drive motor. This provides reliable, high-speed punching along with high productivity. As you can see, it achieves a high hit rate while saving energy, with a power requirement of only 19 kVA. Power consumption in standby mode is less than any punching machine in AMADA's history. Low power consumption is maintained even as the hit rate increases during punching. The low power consumption of the AC servo motor and its hydraulic fluid-free operation makes this product friendly to the environment. Optimally controlled press speeds keep punching out noise to a low level even during high-speed punching. The inclusion of new vibration protection mounts aids in minimizing vibrations. Turret type can be selected from 3 patterns: 2 auto 58 stations, 4 auto 51 stations, and 4 auto 45 stations. This large capacity turret reduces tool changing time and improves productivity. Turret thickness is 120 millimeters. They support high accuracy processing by holding tools firmly even during high-speed punching. Also, in order to maintain long-term high accuracy, laser hardening is applied to bore interiors. With up to 3 tracks aligned on the turret, the striker moves between stations instantaneously. And since there is no need to rotate the turret, processing time is cut significantly. This mechanism is unique to AMADA punch presses. The tool balancer, another standard feature, is used to seat and remove large-sized tools in the turret. Tool changes can be performed quickly and easily, lessening the burden on the operator and improving setup time. The AMNC series has a 1,270mm stroke in the Y-axis and can process 4-foot by 8-foot sheets. It has large capacity turrets that can hold a maximum of 58 tools, yet is as compact as the conventional RES-245-2 model. By adding a manipulator, the AMNC series is able to run automatically for long periods. The brush table softens the noise when a sheet moves and minimizes flaws on the back of the material. With an optional floating brush table, when material moves after downward forming, the brush table around the turret rises up 5 millimeters for each sheet, preventing interference between the die and sheet. Forming program restrictions are eliminated, and processing time is shortened. The optional free bear table can handle sheet thickness of up to 6.4 millimeters. The controller is fitted with a network-compatible AMNC PC numerical control. With tool setup functions, program creation and editing through guided input, and control of diverse press patterns, it can handle a broad range of processing requirements. The on-site operator can easily color process data on the AMNC PC screen, improving work efficiency. This system's overload detection function indicates the actual press load borne during processing. The AMNC series incorporates a wide variety of functions in a compact body. It considers ease of operation and safety, with features like the workpiece overhang stop function, which urges caution to the operator if a large sheet hangs over the table. The AMNC series offers reliable punching with high quality and speed. With diverse functions that also enable process integration and an environmentally conscious design, it offers punching with outstanding cost performance.